Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do you poke someone on Facebook 2024. So let's get started. So you've probably tried to look for this feature before in the Facebook settings, and you're unable to find it because it's not there. Well, that's simply because it's not there. It's really just out in the open if you ask me, it's pretty easy to find. Anyway, let's get to it. So on the Facebook homepage, you want to click on the search icon at the top. From here, you'll see the poke feature right away. However, if you do not see the poke feature, you can just search for poke. Then you can click on pokes right here. From here, you'll see a list of people you can poke, as well as a list of the people who have poked you. But all you have to do is click on poke, and that person will be poked. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.